Let's do this in 3, 2, 1. Making her wish, blur candle. Happy birthday, Colette on 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday. Wishes do come true. Okay, speaking of wishes, ano ba yung pinaka-wish mo para sa birthday mo?
Good health lang po with Bini and uy, parang inaan mo yung emotion ko. Yun, may good health lang with Bini and longer po relationship with Jollibee. Thank you po. Grabe, 23 na ako ng Jollibee na birth. Amazing talaga si Lord. Thank you, Lord.
And thank you so much. Thank you, Jollibee, and to our bosses. They just went down. Maraming salamat. Let's put our hands together for our Jollibee executives to Jollibee. And happy birthday once again, Bini Colette! Okay, akala nyo ba?